In the beginning, it was very hard to believe this is my second country because my English was not really good. Nobody understands me when I'm talking. My wife can speak English. My daughter was not speaking English. So even I never drive with GPS. I'm really excited to see all of these Afghan people. They are arriving, and I will say, welcome. Welcome to the United States. Also, they need to learn more English because this is not our language. Young generations need to rebuild our own country. Our country needs us. But unfortunately, because of the security, because the bad situation, we leave our home country. Home is always sweet home, but we have no choice.